friends. Welcome. Today I have a special activity for you. And it's special because you are special. You are the only you in the whole wide world. You're unique. There are things about you that no one else shares. So one of the things that makes you different from others is your handprint or your footprint without the shoe and your fingerprints. So your uniqueness is identified by certain characteristics. And today we're going to look at your hand and your fingerprints. So I have a piece of paper here, and I could tape it or I pinned it to a piece of cardboard so that it's really sturdy. And I'm going to trace my hand. I'm going to take a crayon and spread my fingers out and start here. Let's try it like this. Start here and go around my thumb and then go around my pointer finger and around my tall man and around my ring man and around my pinky and come back to my wrist. There's my hand. You can do that with paper just by using a crayon and pressing and tracing your hand. So there's my hand, and where are my fingerprints? They're on the tips of each finger. So let's talk about these fingers for a minute. We have 2 hands and 10 fingers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers, wiggle them. I have a song about the names that sometimes we can give to fingers. So close your hand up, put your hands behind your back, and let's sing together. Where is Thumbkin? Where is Thumbkin? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Where is Pointer? Where is Pointer? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Where is Tall Man? Where is Tall Man? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Where is Ring Man? Where is Ring Man? Here I am. Ooh, that's a hard one. Here I am. Oh, how are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Where is Pinky? Where is Pinky? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. So all the fingers are very well today because they were greeting each other. How are you today? Very well, I thank you. And let's look at the names. This is Thumbkin. Here he is right here. This is Pointer, and lots of times we point or scan with our pointer finger. And then this is Tall Man, and he is the tallest finger of all of the fingers. This is Ring Man. Lots of times we put rings on this finger. And this is Pinky, the shortest finger. So we're going to do some fingerprints. I'm going to make a stamp pad out of paper towels. And I have a little cleanup bucket, so I'm going to moisten the paper towels. And sort of wring it out a little bit. And put it in a plastic container. And I'm going to put some washable paint on my stamp pad paper towel. Close up the paint. And I'm going to brush it around so that when I put my finger on it, I can get some paint. Now you could just brush paint onto your fingertips if you chose. We're going to put the fingertips on the correct finger. So let's start with thumbkin. And this is my hand. So I'm going to press my finger on the paint and press my thumbprint right there. That's my very own thumbprint. Rinse it off in the cleanup bucket and dry it with a towel. Now let's do pointer. Show me pointer. Pointer is right here. Wet, wet, wet. And then let's make a fingerprint right here on the tip of pointer. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Dry. Who's next? Tall man, the tallest finger. Press. I have paint. And let's press it right here on tall man. There's my fingerprint. Clean it off. Dry. Who's next? Do you remember? Ring man. Ring man is all ready to go. Press, press, press. There's a fingerprint. And last is Pinky. Press, press, press. And right there on the tip of the pinky. Now, let's see what we have. We have 5 fingerprints. You could do both hands if you chose to when you do this project. I've got my magnifying glass and I can see very close with my magnifying glass. And I'm going to look at all the lines in my fingerprint and study them and see how they are different from each other. You might want to flash a very strong light on your fingerprints. And you might want to compare your fingerprints to maybe mom's or dad's or a brother or sister. They're not going to be the same. So that's our activity for the day. You could also take your same stamp pad and do fingerprint art by putting a fingerprint and then maybe putting legs on a little bug or spider and a head. You can do lots and lots of different things with fingerprint art. So we've investigated how our fingerprints make us unique. There are also other kinds of traits that make us unique, and I have a wonderful story for you called A Kitten Tale. And these kittens and cats looked at each other very closely to see sameness and differences. The story is called A Kitten Tale, and Eric Rohmann wrote it and illustrated it. These kittens look the same. They're different colors. They have 2 ears each and a tail. Some of them have stripes. They're drinking from the same dish. Let's see what their tale is. Once there were 4 kittens who had never seen snow, not any one of them. "Snow scares me," said the first kitten. "When winter comes, the snow will fall and we'll be cold." "Freezing cold," said the second kitten. "Cold to the tips of our tails," said the third kitten. But the fourth kitten said, "I can't wait." When spring rains gave way to long summer days, the first kitten said, "Today is sunny and warm, but someday snow will fall and will be cold and wet." "Soaking wet," said the second kitten. "Wet down to our bones," said the third kitten. But the fourth kitten said, "I can't wait." When autumn winds ruffle the trees, the first kitten said, "Soon the snow will fall and We'll be cold and wet and snow will cover everything." "Piles and drifts," said the second kitten. "Heap to our whiskers," said the third kitten. Still, the fourth kitten said, "I can't wait." Then one winter morning, the kittens woke to snow right out that window. Look at these 2 are hiding under the rug. This one's hiding in the room. But the fourth kitten didn't hide. Out she went through the kitten door. Oh no. She jumped and rolled and laughed. "Snow! It's cold and wet and covers everything." They're watching to see what she does. They're smiling. What do you think is going to happen now? Let's see. "We'll be right out," the 3 kittens said. She was licking her nose and had piles of snow on her head. "I can't wait," the 3 kittens said. And they played all day in the snow. That fourth kitten taught them something that they really enjoyed. If you try it, you might like it. Goodbye, friends. See you tomorrow.